CDTV genlock package should include a genlock, a CDTV genlock key, and warranty and instructions. CDTV genlock consists of composite video in, composite video out, a keyhole, and S-video out. When a video signal is supplied to the CDTV genlock, you can cycle through the 3 genlock modes by pressing the genlock button on the CDTV remote controller. The 3 modes include CDTV only, external video only, and mixed CDTV and external. For best results when taping from your CDTV genlock, you may wish to try changing the display format setting on the CDTV player preferences. Refer to the CDTV welcome disc for more information on changing the display format setting.